In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the navigation menu. Recording expenses regularly is a great habit because it helps you keep your bookkeeping accurate and makes it much easier to track spending over time. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This will take you to the area where all of your business expenses are stored and managed. If you already have expenses recorded, you may see a list here. If not, that's completely fine. The process is still the same. From the Expenses page, click New Expense. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the purchase or business cost you want to record. Here, start by choosing the correct category for the expense. Selecting the right category is important because it keeps your records organized and can make reporting much more useful later on. After that, enter the expense date so FreshBooks knows when the transaction took place. Then fill in the merchant, which is the business or vendor you paid. You can also add a description if you want to include a little more context. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to remember exactly what the expense was for. If you have a receipt, you can upload it at this stage. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the upload area or click to select a file from your device. Attaching receipts is optional, but it's a smart way to keep supporting documents connected to each expense for future reference. If the expense is taxable, click Add Taxes and enter the applicable tax information. This helps ensure the total is recorded correctly and can also improve the accuracy of your financial records. You'll also see an Expense Settings panel. If needed, you can use this area to assign the expense to a client or project, make it recurring, or change the currency. These options are especially useful if you manage expenses across different projects or work with international transactions. Before finishing, review the grand total carefully to make sure everything looks correct. This is a good final check to confirm the category, date, merchant, taxes, and any uploaded receipt all match the expense you're entering. Once you're satisfied, click Save to record the expense. And that's it. You've successfully recorded an expense in FreshBooks.